Welcome back now. So for this class, we'll be looking at how to insert your gauge chart. Some people call it gauge, but I think it's gauge. Your gauge chart. So we'll be seeing how to do that. Let's move straight to our board. So now to insert your gauge chart. Now what is this gauge chart? Gauge chart simply is used to, just like the name implies, gauge. You want to see if you met the target. It's simply about targets. You want to see if the target kept for you is met. All right. So let's say the company wants to meet a 2 million target. So that's the target you have, right? So from what you were able to do from that date to the end time of the target, you compare and see if you met the target. So that's what we'll be looking at here, gauge chart. So how do you do your gauge chart now? So for this guy here now, please pay attention carefully. So since for this data set, there's no target, so we're going to create the target. All right. So follow carefully so you understand. So to create this guy, this is our gauge. Yeah. You click on it. It's here as usual. You adjust to your test. Okay. So first of all, before I start inputting my values, I need to create my target. All right. So you come to your new measure. Okay, come to your new measure. So let's name it as target. Let's name it as target, because for this target now, I want to see the sum of. So please just copy this formula. If you don't understand, if you're not clear, ask me. I'm going to. Okay, I'll just post this formula on my description box so you can copy it here. The sum of sales. So just come and click it. Sum of sales. Sum of sales times. Let me assume that I'm just putting a random number, right? This is not the. We are trying to get the goal, right? For this set, there's no target, so we're just trying to create a target, all right? So times for programming all of this, your times is your asterisk, all right? So times, let's say I want to use 1.7, all right? So if I click on it, our target is set. If you see here, the target is here now, right? So now I want to see the target now. So first of all, I'll draw this. I'll bring down the sales. All right, bring the sales to the value. All right. So once you bring the sales, you have this. That means what you've been able to set, the sum of the sales you made was 118.73 million. So that's what you were able to make for your sales. And then was that the target? Did you meet targets? Let's find out. So now you bring your targets, drag it down to target value and place it there. Guys, you're far beyond targets. Like, you're far away from targets. This is target set for you. This is it. But man, this is where you are. You have a lot. You might lose your job. Okay, so this is simply how to create your target and how to use the gauge chart. All right. As you can see now, our target was this. That's 201.83 million. But then we're able to make just 18.73 million. Wow, we are far behind targets. So we need to buckle up. We need to put more energy and see how much and how well we can go with this guy. All right, so that's how to create your gauge chart. If you're not clear, please let me know. I will see you in the next class. Cheers.